Than and I should never be allowed to be secret agents because I talk too loud and Nathaniel can't turn on a light without bumping himself in the head with said light. We're trying to take a video of Izzy sleeping against the bar. His whole face was sideways on the bar, but between Than's bumping his head on the light and me dropping the phone, Izzy moved positions. And now he's just a little boy who's going to sleep. Stop making noise. Than, you're the worst secret agent ever. Followed only by me. You're such a dork. You're waking him up more. Stop. Shh. We are so terrible at this. Here, we'll go around and see what Sky's doing. They're both looking at us because we don't know how to shut up. Shut up, then. He's closing his eyes. Just gonna sit here like I'm supposed to be with the camera. Once he closes his eyes, I'll get closer. He's grinding his beak. That's a contented sound from cockatiels when they grind their beaks. He just hit his head. He's like, I know that the camera is on. I have an inner sensor to when film is being taken of me. My beauty ups itself a little level and it shines first on the inside, thereby waking me up. I want to be able to hear the grinding. Shh. I beg your pardon, I am trying to get some sleep. Get that camera out of my beautiful face. Can a bird not sleep in peace around here? He's so cute. Every time he opens his eye, I feel like I'm busted. It's like, busted!
Yeah, you busted.
He's like, I beg your pardon. Stop it.
Busted.
Hey, Mama, what are you doing? She's like, get that camera off me before I peck your eyes out. Hey, Mama.
Busted.
Alright. We gotta finish this math so we can get to PE.